I want to quickly compare the HomerunPET litter box with the PetKit Purobot Pro box. These are two amazing litter boxes. I was gifted both of them, and they have a lot of similarities and some key differences. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to start off with the Purobot Pro. This is from one of my favorite cat product companies. I really love PetKit products, and they continue to improve upon their system. Now, they were the first one to ever create the drum that never closes. Instead of closing, this drum will actually have everything caught on a filter in it, and then there is a ramp, and then there's an opening that never closes in the middle of it that then dumps everything down a little chute into the dirty waste drawer that's right here. And what makes this stand out to me is that it has a very small footprint. It has two deodorizers. It has one right here that actually sprays into the drum after each time a cat uses it. And then it actually has another one right on top of the dirty litter drawer to continue to keep that smelling fresher. It has a nice large opening for my cats, and both of my cats love this box and this brand's boxes. And one of the coolest things about this one is it actually has a camera. So if you go to their app, which is a really user-friendly app, you can actually go and see what your pet last did. You can watch highlights, you can watch full playbacks, so you can see when your cats have been using it. You can even listen to them, so you can get everything you need. This is really nice when you have a pet that has any sort of health issue, as it really lets you track your pet's usage, what they're getting out, all those details. Another thing I really like about PetKit is the app connects to all the PetKit devices and will notify me if there's anything going on. As for controls, this is really easy to use. Everything is here on these buttons, but I can also use the app. It's all Wi-Fi based. You can see my hand is swinging in that camera live right now. I can turn on and off a light inside of it. So if I wanted it to always have a light for my kitties, I could. I can have it level the litter. I can put it into maintenance mode, and that's when it will go all the way up so I can dump litter into it to add more. I can empty it completely, and to empty this, I actually put a blockade on the filter, and then it's going to do a few rounds of cleaning till it dumps everything into the waste drawer. And I can have it do a scoop if I walk by and notice it hasn't scooped, and I can have it just do a deodorize if it's a little smelly in the house. So really, really nice box overall, smaller footprint. Now the HomerunPET I was just gifted, and this is the first box that I have come across that replicates what PetKit did with the drum. It has the same style chute in the back, so again, this one's never going to close during cleaning. There's no risk of pinching. Both of these also do motion detection and weight sensing, so these are extremely safe boxes. And one thing that stands out about this box is that it's really large. It has the largest interior drum of any box that I have tested. So if you have a really large cat, this is the box you're going to love. The only reason I even went down the PetKit path in the first place is that PetKit is considered the best litter box right now for large cats, and this one just came out, and I imagine if you have an even larger cat, 18 pounds or larger, this is going to be a better option for you. Now it has that, of course, main big drum, and then it opens along this side for the chute to go down into its dirty drawer down below. It has one extra feature here, which is that it actually will dump clean litter into the drum as it's emptying. It will actually sense how much more litter it needs to add, which means that you need to touch this one even less since it takes care of itself. And then this has a dirty litter drawer right here. It's also the largest dirty litter drawer I have come across, so it can contain quite a lot of dirty litter. And then this one has one cool extra, is that it has this lower drawer here. And what's nice about this drawer is this drum design does lend itself to occasionally having some litter fall down underneath the drum. With this one, you can just take the drum off and clean under it from time to time. With this one, that's all going to fall down into this catch here, but that's not all this catch is for. This is also for your full cleaning dump. So when you tell this box to dump, you're actually going to want to pop this door off. This is the anti-pinch door. And then tell it to dump, and it will spin all the way down. So you need to be around, because this is the one time when your cat could get pinched, even though it has all the cat sensing technology. And it will dump the entire drum into this bottom drawer for you. I really, really like that design, especially if I've cleaned the litter a couple times and I just want all the clean litter to dump out so I can give the drum a quick wash out and then put it back together and add this litter back in. That makes it really easy to do. So while this one doesn't have a camera, it does have a litter dispenser and a nicer way to clean it when needed, and a much larger drum if that's something you're looking for. Though I would say that both of my cats are large. My ragdoll is 16 pounds. My orange cat is not as healthy today, but he was a healthy 17-pound cat. And they both are perfectly happy with this litter box. So when it comes to automatic boxes, you don't need the oversized box you're used to with a manual box. Since these are always self-cleaning, the cats just need enough space to kind of get in there comfortably, and they're good to go. And of course, HomerunPET also has a great app. Really easy to see how many times the cat has used it, where the litter's at. It gives me all the great updates. And when it comes to using this, it is a little more simple. It has the refill cat litter, which is telling it to use that little refill option you saw, where it's actually going to dispense litter in for me, and then it will do the cleaning. And then it actually has more of the controls on the device itself. If I want it to do a full dump, or if I want to tip all the way upright to add litter into it, those buttons are on the front of it. Now let me show you how these both empty really fast. I'm going to start the HomerunPET first, and then I'm going to start the Purobot. Now, as you can see, they're both going to go upwards, and right now any dirty litter is being caught in that filter, and I can actually show you with the Purobot, and it shows that there is a little bit of dirty litter sticking on the bottom of the mat. I do love seeing that with the video, as it reminds me, oh yeah, I gotta go in there and get some of that off every once in a while. And then anything it catches will continue to spin all the way back, catch in that chute, and then as it tips back to its normal position, it will go down the chute and into the dirty litter drawer. Now, they both go at their own paces. Right now, they're both facing basically all the way backwards. And again, like I said, these both have great safety features. If I wave my hand in front of them, they will both stop, and then once they think the cat is gone, they'll both start back up again. If there is a weight inside them, they will both stop until that weight goes away. And one thing you will note is that the PetKit Purobot is faster than the HomerunPET. I do find this one goes a little bit slower. Not really an issue, just something to be aware of. And then once they come all the way back to the front, they're going to tip back and forth a few times to level the litter, and then they're good to go. The Purobot will then spray some deodorizer into the space, and the HomerunPET does not have any deodorizer at this time, though from what I understand, that is going to be a feature they'll be adding shortly. So if you are looking at this, it probably will have a deodorizer when you do look at it. So if you are looking for a fantastic automatic litter box, particularly one for larger cats, these are two fantastic options. I hope this video helps you make a decision.